we weren't sure what to give Max as a small token of our appreciation, but we thought a nice little hamper of products from Lithgow would be something that he would appreciate. And speaking of hampers, just before Christmas, Woolworths kindly donated an amazing hamper for the mayoral appeal, which I was proud to give out to a lot of the people in the aged care homes. I'll now introduce, before I introduce Max Cullen, Ali, do you have the... I had dinner with Max and Margarita last night, and as I said, I think he has got a really unusual sense of humour, but a great sense of humour. I just couldn't get on to some of those jokes he was telling me, but anyway, we did have a lot of laughs. But the one thing that I will tell you, how privileged we are to have this man with us today, because I kept saying to him, I remember you off one of the shows, so I'm probably giving away my age now, and the show was Homicide. I remember watching it, and Max was in it on that weekly Homicide. Now, I'm just going to read out to you some of the things that Max Cullen has been in, like as in plays and TV and big films. Your Own Medicine, The Great Gatsby, Dear Life, My Own Melody, Love on the Airways, The Ghost, Santa's Apprentice, Professionals, Anyone You Want, Professions, City Homicide, All Saints, X-Men's Origins, Wolverine, Twin, Australia, A Pretty Penny, December Boys, Love My Way, The Mouse That Ate My Brain, Jindabyne, Blackjack, The Nugget, Code 2, McLeod's Daughters, In a Savage Land, Kings in Grass Castles, Kiss or Kill, Frontier, Billy's Holiday, GP, Rough Diamonds, Spider and Rose, and so it goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. And we don't want it to rain on us. So, you know, congratulations for all the efforts and how you have put Australia on the map. But I think he's a living legend, and we have him in Lithgow. So please welcome Max Cullen. Now, do you understand about what I'm trying to say about this sense of humour thing, guys? I'm on to it now. All right, without further ado, I'm going to announce the nominations for the Community Event of the Year. And I must say, this year they have had... Portland is part of our great nation. We could live anywhere we want to in the world, but everyone here that's living in Portland must believe that we're living in such a great area, and I think we're very, very privileged to live in such a wonderful country. We have wonderful beaches, we have wonderful doctors, we have wonderful facilities for mental health and all sorts of things to do with the medical industry. We have great coal mining, we have wonderful diverse industries within our land, but most of all we have wonderful connections with other people and have formed wonderful friendships with people over the years. And I think today there'll be many people that walk around the streets today that perhaps may not have seen some of their neighbours or their friends for some time. So Australia Day is a wonderful day to get together and say g'day mate and have a great day. It's been a great privilege to be asked to come today to my home village to announce Max Cullen as our ambassador. I had the privilege of having dinner with Max last night, and I don't know whether I've got a warped sense of humour or whether he has, but when I was supposed to laugh I didn't, and he said, why aren't you laughing? And when I did laugh he said, what are you laughing at? So I'm sure after he speaks to you today you'll either think that I'm a bit stupid, or I'm not saying he is, he's not, but let me tell you he has a very unusual sense of humour. And Margarita, his wife, said that she's lived with that for about 10 years. But it's a great honour to have this legend of TV documentaries, TV shows, theatre. He's an author, he's a painter, he's been in Homicide, McLeod's Daughters, Division 4, Australia. He's doing at the moment The Great Gatsby. I actually had an iPhone that I was going to read out to you what he has been in his time of acting in Australia. But I decided not to because it went on and on and on and on. So I thought in case it rained we needed to keep it brief. But it's a great honour to have Max Cullen here in Portland today.